Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Urdu Top Words. Our today's lesson is 10 Pakistani foods. So let's get started. Halwa puri. Halwa puri. Halwa puri. Halwa puri. मुझे हलवा पूरी पसंद है. I like halwa puri. Actually, this is one of my favorite ones. We usually eat it in our breakfast and it's very common in Pakistan. You can get it almost in every street. Karahi. 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 आपको कड़ाही पसंद है? Do you like karahi? I love it. Actually, karahi is a very traditional food in Pakistan and it's made from meat. You can use chicken meat, beef or mutton, but people in Pakistan actually prefer it in mutton. I love mutton karahi. Biryani, 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 biryani. मैं बिरयानी बनाने में माहिर हूँ. I'm an expert in cooking biryani. Actually, that's not true. My mother is. Biryani is a traditional food that is served in India, Pakistan, and also in Bangladesh. And it's one of the most delicious food that you will ever get to taste. It has so many spices and such a beautiful aroma, and you can actually feel all that aroma on your tongue. It's actually a mixture of rice and chicken curry, and you mix it, but it's much more than that, so you got to taste it for sure for yourself. Korma, 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 korma. आप korma बनाने में माहिर हो? Are you an expert in making korma? Korma is a traditional food of Pakistan and it is a form of curry. So we have mutton, beef or chicken and we make curry with it. But we have a very special ingredient involved in korma and that are nuts. Lots of nuts. And the aroma with the nuts is very strong. So you should really taste it. Pie, 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 pie. Pie नाश्ते में खाए जाते हैं. Pies are taken in breakfast. Pies are, the literal translation is feet of a goat. And don't get scared, but we actually eat them, but not just like we just cut them and eat them. We clean them, and the way of sterilizing the feet of a goat is a very long process in Pakistan. So we burn the skin and we take off all the hair, we boil them so there are no more bacteria or germs in it, and we also cut them in half in order to make sure that they are sterilized properly. And after that, we cook them with special spices for this dish. And the gravy is very sticky and they are really heavy in terms of calories, but everybody loves pies. No matter you are from Punjab or you are from some other province, but you would love it. So it's a must try if you ever visit Pakistan. Kofte, 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 kofte. मुझे कोफ्ते पसंद है. I really like kofte. Kofte is actually meatball. So we just have an egg in between and we cover the egg with the meat. And it's really delicious. And when we are serving the food, we usually cut one kofta into two pieces. So you can imagine it looks like an eyeball. So in between you can see half of the egg, a boiled egg, and it's covered with lots of meat outside. It's really beautiful. Haleem, 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 Haleem. Haleem garam hai. Haleem is hot. Trust me, people, you would really want to eat a hot Haleem because the spices, the aroma, it's just delicious. And I'm a foodie maniac. I love food. And Haleem is basically a combination of lots of different pulses cooked together with chunk of meat in it, and it's just heaven. Nihari, 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 Nihari. Lahore ki Nihari mashhoor hai. The Nihari of Lahore is famous. I totally agree with it 100%. And I'm from Lahore, so take my word for it. Nihari is a curry, a a thick gravy that we make from the meat of a goat, but it's taken from the thigh part, specifically from that part. And it's kind of also a bit sticky, and it's not really spicy, and we eat it with naan, always with naan. We never have any other kind of bread with nihari. So you should give it a try. And mostly people in Lahore and Punjab, they want nihari as their breakfast. I know it sounds weird eating such a heavy dish in the breakfast, but that's how we do it in Pakistan. Zarda, 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 Zarda. Zarda शादियों के लिए एक मशहूर dish है. Zarda is a famous course for wedding reception. So basically Zarda is sweet rice. So all the rice we make in biryani, they are spicy, but in Zarda it's the opposite. They are sweet, and it also has many kind of pistachios and nuts in it. It's served as a dessert, you may call it. Yeah. Matanjan, 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 Matanjan. Matanjan rangeen hai. Matanjan is colorful. So Zarda and Matanjan are like brother and sister. So Matanjan is also sweet rice, but it has many colors. The famous colors for Matanjan are white, red, pink, and green. And it also has rasgullas in it. And rasgulla is a small white sweet in Pakistan, and they include it in the rice in that when they're serving the dish. So it's really sweet, and it also has nuts in it, and also famous for weddings. So you should definitely give it a try. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like our video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions about Pakistani food, please don't forget to comment below and let me know which Pakistani food is your favorite food. If you want to know more about our Urdu lessons or you want to see more Urdu material, please check our website www.urdupod101.com. See you until next time. Allah Hafiz.